Okay, we also have some new things in the warehouse too. Well, they're not new. We've had them before, but they might be new to some people. Okay, these are the new things that we have. The terrifying train, terrifying flat car, the terrifying passenger car, the black owl pumpkin, the vampire bunny pumpkin, and the black spider pumpkin. But when I went ahead and did this and looked, I have all three of these in my warehouse. Right there. There they are. And then, what was the other? The black... Were they all trained black? Yeah. Black spider pumpkin, black owl pumpkin, and what was the other one? A vampire bunny pumpkin. And there it is. Yeah. We've had all of these before. I'm not sure when, but I think like 4 or 5 years ago. It seems like it's been a little while ago. So we have those all to make and to gift. And let's see if I have the things to make any of them. Not really. I guess I could make one of these. And does everybody know how to gift these? Let me do 4 pumpkins. I know I've shown before, like when I've shown the workshop how you can gift things. Let's go ahead and craft it. I'm going to use sunstones. Okay, when you want to gift something, you click right up here where it says send this to your friend as a gift, because you can place it on your farm or you can gift it. So let's gift it. Let's give it to, let's see, who should we give it to? I have so many friends. Okay, I should just pick somebody. I know who I'm going to give it to. Let's give it to Carol St. George. She's my lovely friend. So sure. Are you sure you want to send a decoration to Carol St. George? I sure do. And hopefully it went. And I got 15 experience for doing that. So, I wonder if there's anything else new that we've got like on our farms. Like I was showing the Candy Bowl puppy, the Grim Reaper, the Pumpkin Patch Gate, the Halloween Coop, which I believe to be just a decoration, the Beetle tile, Pumpkin Patch Fence, the Crawling Bale. We've already got those. And there was a thing about the piggy bank too. The one that's coming up here. Where was it at? Somebody was talking about, let's see, that one. Nope, that wasn't where it was. Where did they find the piggy bank at that? Was it in here under skins? There it is. The Witch Piggy Bank. Which somebody else, I thought we'd already had it, and then somebody else said that we had too, and showed a picture of it. So let's see if we can find it in here. Witch Let's go. Well, am I in the skins? In the skins. Oh, I guess the piggy bank wouldn't be a skin. Sorry. Let's go. See if we can find it. Right there it is. On 10/14 of 2021, I got that one. So the one that they're showing in there, you should already have. And I'm kind of surprised it's not showing me as already having that. That's interesting. Oh, this just means that they're ones you can buy over and over and over again. You can have them more than once, so don't be fooled by that. Normal decorations, rare decorations. The rare ones, I think you can only have one of each. There's the animals. Okay. All right. I'll make this a short one. And Guild starts tomorrow night too, so good luck. Starts in 23 hours. So good luck, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe.